safe travel, yeah. Yeah. Thank you for tuning in. Even though if you are on your way home, you're still tuning in on my you're still watching my live, diba? So thank you so much for your support, Ashraf. I'm getting fatter now. I'm fat now. My now I saw my face. It's very round. I'm like the siopaw. Yeah, I'm like bola-bola na ako. My face is so round na. Round, round face. The siopaw. Yeah, the siopaw. It's very round now. My face is like siopaw. Ano talaga, naghahang yung RCR. Hindi ka pa inaantok. Anong oras na ba dyan? 6 o'clock. Yeah, 6 o'clock in your place. Dito sa akin is 10 to. Inaantok na ako. Kahapon, late na ako nakatulog. Ang dami kasing customer kahapon. Tapos, late na kami ganun lang siya po. Nagla-live ko lang dito. Basahin mo lang yung mga, basahin mo lang yung mga sinasabi. Hindi ako makano. Wala ko sa ano. So, ayan, naka 1 hour na ako. Kaya after 5 minutes, I will end na, I will end my live streaming after 5 minutes. Yeah, I've already done one hour, so I will just extend for 5 minutes, and then after that I will end. Yeah, just this is just an update for my update for my watch hours. So, ayan po, mega mega love shoutout po sa lahat ng nandito. Ako yung pag mega mega love shoutout ang bago ako mag-end. Ayan, mega mega love shoutout po sa lahat. Thanks for tuning in. Lu Bautista, Masa Tejada Vlogs, RCR Cabrera Vlog, Kukudu, R. Brosas Libreja Vlog, Familia G, Blackman, Sis Norminda P. De Leon, si Sir Cardo TV, si Ricky View Vlogs. Ayan po, mega mega love shoutout po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta always. Ashraf, mega mega love shoutout. Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, and now I will end. So, mega mega love shoutout Team BFF Panga Channel. Sa aming team leader na si Sir Ricky at sa aming ayuda Team BFF Chinsis. Sa aming po admin BFF Madema sa lahat at Team BFF Panga Channel members. Ayan, mega mega love shoutout po. Maraming salamat po sa inyong suporta always. And I will visit your channel. All of you, I will visit your channel. Yeah. And thank you so much. Always choose happiness. Be happy always. Life is too short to think of all the grudges in life. So we have to be happy always. We have to be contented with what we have and always choose happiness. Yun lang. Happy Monday everyone. Bye-bye. Maasalama.